Before going to solve an age related problem, you must know the number of days in the respective months of a year as given below. Okay, so see the first line. April, June, September, November of any year is composed of 30 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December are composed of 31 days each. But for February month, there are two situations. One is leap year related. Leap year means if the given year is completely divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. And in that case, February month will contain 29 days, as you see here. Otherwise, if it is non-divisible, if it is not completely divisible by 4, it is called non-leap year, and it will contain 28 days only. Okay. Now the next step is very easy. As you have done your normal arithmetic subtraction, it will be the procedure will be something like that actually. Okay. Now you can calculate the required age by subtracting your date of birth from your present age, keeping in mind the above mentioned facts. Here I am going to take a few examples for complete clarification. Okay. So for example, case 1. Suppose that one person is having present age 2015 8 18 and date of birth 1980 to 10. So you subtract the date of birth since all the month and days are less than the month and days of the present age. Okay, so 18 minus 10 remaining 8. 8 minus 2 remaining 6. 2015 minus 1980 remaining 35. That means 35 years, 6 months, 8 days. So you write required age is 35 years, 6 months, 8 days only. So take some other examples to understand some other situation. Suppose this time the person is having present age 2015 to 11. Now definitely we need to borrow from here some days, okay, but how many days it contains we have to see that one. By justifying this year, divide by 4, you see that it is non-divisible. Okay, so this February month will contain 28 days only. So 28 plus 11, how many it will be? 39 days. So minus 28, you will get minus 11. Now remaining 1 month only. Okay, the 1 month is less than 8 months. Okay, so you borrow 1 year here, 1 year in terms of 12 months. Okay, so 12 plus 1 equal to 13, then 13 minus this 8 equal to 15. Remaining 2014 minus 1980, remaining 34. So required age is equal to 34 5 11. That means you write like that. Okay, so 34 4 years, 5 months and 11 days. Come to the third case to realize certain difference with this. Little bit difference only. Present age of the person is 2016 to 11 and date of birth 1988 28. Same as that only. Okay, but you see that year has changed. So 2016 is now completely divisible by 4. Why we are doing it? Because we see that year month is 2, because we see that this 11 is less than 28 days, so definitely we need to borrow from here. And from which month we are borrowing? We are borrowing from the February month, and this needs our checking here actually, to decide whether this month is having 28 days or 29 days. So it is divisible, it is a leap year, and so it is containing 29 days, leap year. So this February month containing 29 days, so 29 plus 11 equal to 40. From 40, 28 minus 28 remaining 12. Here remaining 1, as before you borrow 12 months from 1 year means 12 months. Add to this 1 month. Total 13 minus 8 remaining 5. and from this year 2014 minus 1980, remaining 35 years. So see the difference here. Because of this only, leap year and non leap year, see that this 34 years, that is complete years, okay, then 5 months, 11 days. Here again 35 years also completed, but month is same, 5 month. Again days has changed, not 11 but 12, one day more because of this situation, on because the person's present age is in the leap year. Anyway, come to the fourth case. Suppose a person has present age 2015 8 1 and date of birth 1980 and 729. Okay, so from 129 is not subtractable, so borrow from here. But how many days here? You must know that it is the August month, so it is consisting of 31 days. So you have to borrow 31. 1 month means 31 days, and then plus 1, so 32 to tell. Then 32 minus 29, remaining 3 days. Here again 1 month has gone, so remaining 7. So 7 minus 7, remaining 0. And here 2000, we did not borrow from here. Okay, so 2015 minus 1980, uh, we are getting 35. So required age is 35 years 3 days. I hope you have understood the situation, and so many problems you can solve by following these things. At least 3 times you practice these standard problems, you can understand very easily. Thank you for watching.